Alright, so today we are going to be playing Insanity. It's my first time playing this, but sorry, I had to put my screen recorder on. Where you at? Oh no, oh no. And this game's actually really freaky. Like, I saw that guy with the goggles, I freaked out. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Nah bro, you go first, It's like the dim light and everything. Oh! Okay. Jeez. I'm not really used to scary games. But we're gonna make it work. Alright, so turns out in this game Nah bro, oh my god. The ghost reader went off the charts. Alright, I'm just gonna be playing this game maybe once. I don't know. Okay. Oh no, I thought I saw something. The monitor looked like a ghost. Oh, I look for it for 1 second. Alright, we're gonna use the Joe's lights. Alright, how come this good? Oh my god, there's an AR right here, like a gun? Jeez, somebody was prepared. Also, we got a good monitor too. Alright, that's all fine. That's fine. Also, shout out to the creator of this. To be honest, really fun game. And also, one sec. Alright. Oh, where's the other girl at? Where's the girl here? Oh, did she disappear? Did she die? I'm like, yeah. No, she's still alive. Hold on, let me check. Okay, conserve my energy. Alright, so if you're playing on PC, right click this, and it should go on. Turn on the light. So she's in the back of the bed. Alright, so, lowest one is blue guy, Smurf. Which one? Smurf, you know. Identify the type of ghost. What's the time left? So like, does that mean we're gonna die? Alright. It's freaky. Alright, I'm at 78%. Alright. We seem to be okay. Everybody's okay. She's the ghost monitor. What about you? Let me look at the chat. I'm not type. What type of ghost is this? What type of ghost is it? Alright, let me check this out. Alright. I don't know if it's like a Five Nights at Freddy's thing. I do not shoot this. I'm like, just a light, even this tells you in the beginning, it only provides a dim light, but oh no, but hey, what is that? Oh, could someone come inside this room? Why did I go into the corner and it's like dark? I'm not having my light on. Oh, I just heard somebody buy it. Oh, so somebody's shining on the same position as I am. What is that? Oh! You died. Nah, bro, that's freaky. Oh. How did I drop something? You? Nah, bro, I don't want to be seeing some ghosts. It'd be like a crazy jump scare. Where's this thing at? Where is this thing at? I'm just gonna be spamming my F key to pick it up. Alright, so, does he have more power than I do? And he does. Well, he doesn't really tell you the power, but it's gonna close the door. I think somebody's like, gosh, just purple light. Oh, there's only 2 people. What the? I don't really want this. Press F. How did I drop something? Okay. How do I drop something? Do I drop something? Alright. No, I don't. I have goggles. Oh, those people just died right in front of me. No, how come she... Oh yeah, you can run if you hold down shift. Alright, somebody's stinging. Oh, what's legit? Oh no, where's she at? Where's she at? Yeah, so you could I've heard about like YouTubers play this game. I'm like, there's ghosts in the kitchen. There ain't no ghosts in the kitchen. I didn't see no ghost. Wait, on that. Oh, it's just nope. No ghost. But yeah, you should ask for something. When you got to live, can you write it? Ask that. Ask that. Oh no, bro, that's freaky. In here. No. I don't see you. Jump scare me. No. Man, that ain't even say anything. Come on now. Don't be scaring me like that. My lights off. What do you mean, oh god? Alright. I'm almost done with this game. Like, overall, it's a really fun game. No, don't scare me. Alright. I'm like, I would recommend this if you're like getting scared. And her sanity is better than mine. What type of ghost? You might need this. EMF. So once you have 3 slots, I don't think it'll let you pick up anything. Unless let me try my keys. No, nothing. Alright, so I'm at 43, 44. I think it's a demon. Like, I'm Christian, so like, I'll be joking around with that stuff. Or a mayor. What's a mayor? Mayor. So you want to show something, or am I just going to stand there? You know what? I'm going to go in. A mayor's ghost. It's a ghost where it becomes stronger in the dark. Okay, let's find it. Let's find it. Make the only one with us. Find it. Right, I just we'll see if yeah, my sanity is like that. Toggle tool. Oh, geez, how to drop. Oh, makes sense. Must the last guy who had this die. Even the cup scares me. You know, I'm gonna give it to him. G. You don't want this. Alright, no answer from here. Alright, so it seems stable here. Let me check out this room. She's close to us. Alright, well. We're gonna start wrapping up the video. But, hope you had a fun time. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of boring. But, it's also kind of exciting at the same time. So, I would recommend.